I'm starting this series to show you what happens with solar generation when it's cloudy and even rainy, that it continues to generate. Also, you will see a series about our meter, learning how to read it properly, and you will see an arrow in the upper right hand corner that will either go to the left, which is solar, and to the right, which is to the power company. I started this morning at 9 in the morning, and you can see here, this is one of the type of readings you get from the app. As the sun came out, you can see the change right here in the amount of power. And then when the sun really came out, which is around 12 noon, you can see this is another form on the app that shows that I'm getting more power than the actual 7.6. Here is my power meter. It's reading 60 and 118. The 118 is the solar energy being generated, which I think will hopefully be the difference. Here is the reading from my app of the amount of power being generated. It is 3 o'clock right now. If you ever wondered if solar panels can work in the rain, here's proof that the solar panels that we have on the roof are still working. There's the wattage that they are generating even when it's raining. And here is the inverter showing the actual amount of watts that are being, kilowatts that is, that are being generated while this is being raining fairly consistently. The app is showing 7.72 kilowatts and my panels are supposed to produce 7.6. Can they produce a higher amount? This is the last generation I'm going to show you over a number of days. 138 is what our solar's generating. 73 is what we generated from the power company, and that was overnight. The next one you're going to see is what is being generated by the power company at night. Now 8 o'clock at night, I can see the arrow in the upper right-hand corner pointing to the right, as before it was pointing to the left when solar was active. So this is 74 is coming from the electric company. This is the next morning. Our meter's reading 82 and 149, and the arrow is pointing to the left, which means we're also getting solar power now. And it shows we used 10 kilowatts of power last night. Even though we have bright sun, as you can see here in the photo, it shows that the clouds do really affect our solar and lower our production. I hope you will continue to follow my channel and follow my trip of learning about solar and how the meters work and how solar is generated. And I am doing a series on my meters just to show you how things progressed and how I learned about them. And hopefully you enjoyed this and would give me a thumbs up or even subscribe. I will be doing an update later when I get my bill at the end of the month to see how accurate I've been with this.